Hi, today we are going to replace your old or broken bath drain. Tools that you need: pliers, adjustable wrench, measuring tape, seal tape, plumber's putty or silicone and caulking gun. Links to all tools and supplies are in the description below. Put pliers down in the hole as deep as possible. Use wrench to unscrew the drain. If it's not coming out too easy, apply some WD-40 to help loosen it up. There are usually multiple sizes of a bath shoe. They can be smaller or larger. Actual dimensions may be subject to local plumbing codes. Please always measure your old bath drain before purchasing a new one. Here in Vancouver, Canada, the larger has a diameter of 1 7/8 inches with a coarse thread. Smaller is 1 5/8 inches in diameter with the fine thread. Order the correct size on Amazon or any home improvement retailer. Links to some options down in the description. Clean the drain before installing the new drain plug. Wrap the seal tape in the direction of the threads. Add plumber's putty or silicone to your new drain. Screw in the new drain slowly. And clean up the extras of plumber's putty. If you're using silicone, apply some isopropyl alcohol and wipe it off. In my case, I had a rubber gasket that comes with a new bath drain, so I ended up not using plumber's putty or silicone at all. Put the stopper down and screw it in. And that's how you change a drain in the bathtub. Thanks for watching, hope you found it helpful.